Okay, on the subject of washing machines and dryers, I wanted to show you probably one of my favorite products. These are the dryer balls. They are made out of wool, sheep's wool, and they're going to replace your dryer sheets. And actually, you're going to fall in love with these. No more buying dryer sheets. And why? I like to tell a story that I got from another consultant that is unfortunately really sad, but so true. Dryer sheets, if you look into it, have a lot of dangerous chemicals in them. They're actually the number two most dangerous thing that you can have in your house. So um, the dryer sheets, a little boy ate a little piece of a dryer sheet. His mom contacted poison control. What do? He'll pass it, no worries. He took a nap, never woke up from eating the dryer sheet. So that's having little girls of my own. I can imagine. I never would have imagined that dryer sheets would be something that would be so dangerous. But more so than that, they're not great for your fabrics. The reason they make your clothes not stick together is because they're coating all those fabrics with what you exactly you feel on a dryer sheet. So it's compromising the quality of your fabrics, your clothes, your towels, whatever it may be, and also causing them to really hold bacteria and grime in between washes. And that's why your brights won't be as bright, your whites won't be as white, and your towels will smell mildewy. So these are great alternatives. They are super soft and fluffy. They're fluff and dried balls for your dryer, and they cut down 25% of your drying time is what advertised, what it says on my little box, and it cuts down wrinkles and static, but also I have personal friends and family, one in particular that has an older dryer. She was drying her loads of towels twice, 2 hours total for her towels, and that's a long time and a lot of money over time to be using for energy for power. With her three dry balls now, she's got that time down to 1 hour, which is crazy. So 50% it cut her dryer time down by that much. You can even buy two bags, have six, cut it in half of that. So it just varies for each person, but it's a great alternative. And again, they last for a long time as well. 2-year warranty on these, 60-day money get back guarantee. We do have two little green ones that have little spikes on them as well. Those are 1 year. Does essentially the same thing. The biggest difference is you get three with this, and you can also add essential oils to these. So if you just can't get over the fact that you really love for your laundry to have a smell, you can absolutely choose your favorite essential oil, peppermint, lavender, whatever you prefer, and add it to these dry balls, and then your laundry will also smell like that as well. So it's a great alternative, really great for your cloths and for any of your laundry as well, and will save you lots of time and money. Thanks.